I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a pop, a drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. If you're new here, pull up a seat and come join us in the kitchen tonight. So I want to welcome to all my new family members and my JCZ fam. I love you guys. Thank you for always coming back. So what we're making tonight is a simple dish. It is quick. You won't be slaving. We're going to be using our Ninja Foodi air fryer, okay? And we are making some chicken and rice. Real simple, quick recipe. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing is we have some chicken breast here that has been seasoned with just some black pepper, onion and garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika. And we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of avocado oil, some fresh chopped parsley, slap your mama's Creole seasoning. And that's the hot one. I'm adding a little spice to it. Yes, yes, yes. And some stir-in garlic paste. All right. So we're going to go ahead and start prepping these so we can put in our Ninja Foodi. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So we're going to drizzle some avocado oil, a nice amount on there. Okay. And they're seasoned on both sides. And can you believe this was one chicken breast? And a little slap your mama. We don't want it too salty. I'll say about a teaspoon, okay? And we're going to take some of our parsley and put on there. And then our stir-in garlic. Okay, and then we're just going to massage all of this in here very well so as seasoned. And listen, I tell you, that air fryer, all the seasoning sticks to the meat, so you're not going to lose any. So you don't have to go heavily with it. And I don't know if I said this already. I already cleaned our meat. And I used some lemon juice and water, peeled any of the little slimy stuff off of it, okay, and I let it marinate with that garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper, and the paprika. It's not going to take long for our rice to cook, so we're going to go ahead and get started popping this in the air fryer. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're going to place our chicken breast down in here. And I set the temperature to 360 degrees. And we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes each side. I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes on one side, then I'm going to come back and flip it over and cook it 10 minutes for the other side, until it gets that nice crispy browning on the top. I don't want it all the way cooked because we're going to cook the rest of the way in our rice, okay? All right, guys, we are back. Let's get started on our rice. What you will be needing, let me pour some avocado oil in here. About 2 tablespoons or so. Right, you'll need some kosher salt. Some fresh parsley, minced garlic. I have some yellow onions, roughly chopped, and I have some green onions, they're chopped, roughly chopped. You'll need 2 cups of chicken broth, okay? And we have our rice, which we have rinsed off, drained. They are ready. It is ready to go. And you'll need some peppercorn medley or black pepper, whichever you like. Okay guys, let's get our onions in here. This is half of a medium onion. Okay. And we're gonna let this cook down a little bit. Shout out to Finest Wine Cooking for inspiring me to make this dish. Our chicken is almost done. So everything is working out perfectly. I love it. So we're going to get our garlic in here. As much garlic as you like. As I always tell you, this is your dish. You do as you please with your dish. And as soon as you start smelling the aroma of the garlic, you're going to add your rice so that we can toast up our rice, okay? So this is 1 cup of rice. Alright, and we want it to get nice and toasty. I'm thinking to myself that I don't think okay, our chicken just finished. I don't think I made rice on this channel, have I? I hope you guys are having a lovely day. Hope your week is going well. Prayer to all who was affected by the storm. Truly have you guys in my prayers. So much going on in the world. Just gotta stay prayed up and do what we can to help. If you can help somebody, check in on our elderly and neighbors. We're going to go ahead and check on our chicken. And we're going to cover this when we put our chicken in here. Okay? After we get our seasonings and all the good stuff in there. Alright, give it a stir. Cover it. Then we're going to turn it down and let it cook for about 18 minutes. So, and you're going to have some delicious, nice and fluffy rice with that chicken and the seasoning. Alright, so let's see how our chicken is doing. Okay guys, so our chicken needs about 5 more minutes and then we can go ahead. So let's go ahead and start. Add our parsley, a little salt. This is kosher salt. Salt and pepper to taste, guys, okay? Ooh, it smells so delicious. I am so ready to eat. Seriously. Something so simple, flavorful. So we're gonna cook this on medium low, okay? So we want to turn it down. Guys, look at our chicken. Oh my goodness. Yes, still juicy, flavorful. Look at that. I'm gonna place that right up in there, like so. Yes. We're gonna let this dish get married together, and I will be right back with our finished dish, guys. Guys, look at this. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Nice. Fluffy rice. See? Ooh, the garlic and everything. Yes. This is what I'm talking about. Woo! I'm ready to eat. You ready? Don't that look delicious, guys? Look at that. Oh my goodness. You just can't go wrong. All right, guys. There you have it. Chicken and rice. And we have broccoli stir fry there. And that's it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. It did not take long at all. Okay? So a quick 30-minute or less meal. Okay? So let's look at what this chicken is looking like, guys. All right. Let's see. Just want to slice in. It is cooked. That's for sure. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Look at that chicken. Cooked. Delicious. Still juicy. Let's give it a taste. And the flavors. Ooh, hot. Look, the juices off of the chicken, so you got the broth, the seasoning, and everything fell right on the rice. Oh, this is banging. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me tonight. I appreciate you guys for watching the last video, and I appreciate you guys for always coming through and showing love. So don't forget, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed today, and turn it gray, and click the notification bell so you can be reminded of when I come to you with another delicious meal, quick meal as this. And share me out to your family and friends and let them know what we are doing over here at Jill's Comfort Zone. All I want to do is love on you while you love on me. And don't forget, comment down below. Let me know what other recipes you would like to see Jill.
We season, we cook it, we eat it.
Okay, I would love to do them. And don't forget,
sizzle and pop.
Love on each other. Stay
Sizzle,
safe.
sizzle,
Wear your mask.
sizzle, and pop. Jill
And
Comfort
keep
Zone.
those prayers going for
Jill
everyone
Comfort Zone.
around the world.
We season, we
All
cook
right?
it, we eat it.
As I always
We
say,
season,
I
we
love
cook
you.
it, we
Stay
eat it.
blessed.
We season,
And
we
peace
cook
out.
it, we eat it. Hey.
Later, guys.
Bring the flavor. Bring the flavor. Jill Comfort Zone. Jill Comfort Zone. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle and pop. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle and pop.